complete our set. And another card.
Boy, what a great show.
At least he's actually moving forward.
He is moving forward quite quickly. Come on, Sluggy, where are you?
Oh! I thought we were going to get another golden ticket. Alright, don't do the full.
I'd like a bar of chocolate,
What?
please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
What are we going to do?
Am I playing too slow?
I'd like a bar of chocolate,
No, you can do the 75. It's gonna,
I'd like a bar of chocolate,
take a
please.
minute.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Come on, Slugworth. Is there everything we need?
Oh, that's a good push. Another card.
When do I get my chocolate?
Another violet.
Violet's violet.
Violet. What is it? Beauregard? How do you say that? Beauregard?
Beauregard.
Beauregard?
Yeah. That'd be nice. Alright,
this is a good one. Good push.
oh, tough call.
Here comes another card, and it's
Where is that?
the fat guy.
The fat guy got stuck. The irony of this, he got stuck. There's the second time.
He does get stuck in the pipes, the chocolate pipes.
That's great.
Stop, don't come back.
We're almost there.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
That's enough. Oh, Slugworth.
Come on, gold shot.
Alright, Slugworth.
Here comes another card.
Where's
It's
the
Wonka.
chocolate?
And we got two.
Oh wait, that's helping a little.
And unplug adjustments. Alright, I got him out.
Oh man, he's hovering.
There he is, there's Sluggy. We got him.
I want this machine for home. It's okay.
I can't control
It's okay.
myself.
You're excited. Right there.
Possible. There's a card. The card.
You're always making things difficult.
There's like... Okay, ooh, that's a good push. Alright, one more push. One more, okay, that's good, that's good. Oh, man. Alright, got 8 tokens left. 8 tokens. No pressure.
No pressure at all.
No pressure.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. The journey is over.
You've got to be kidding me.
Yeah, you gotta do one swipe anyway because we're only 4 away
like a
from
bar of chocolate,
the next
please.
spin.
Oh, okay. Well, a chance to get
Can't walk
another.
away from the spin. No golden ticket. Oh, come on.
These are tough ones, eh?
Holding on for life.
There we go.
Alright, one more.
Ooh, quick hold. There it is, right there.
Alright, you got 6
nothing.
Oh, but I do have something.
Oh, oh my god. Look at how many cards we got. This is ridiculous. Look how many. Oh, you even got some tokens to call. I don't. Oh, fuck. Okay, we gotta get help. Because the cards just fell down there.
Oh, did they really?
Yes, they did. Alright, here is our Willa Wonka cards. We did get enough for one complete set. The golden ticket and Slugworth, so we're just keeping one set for ourselves. And then I'm going to cash the rest in and see if we can get any prizes in the game. Alright, we're on the road, heading back home after going to round one. Round one was awesome. It's a 3-hour drive from our house, so this is just like a day trip and we're heading back home. I loved round one. I did not know that this location had the Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory coin pusher. I had hoped, I really had hoped, and I had watched several videos of Peoria's location, but no one showed the coin pusher. So when we walked in and we saw it, I was extremely, extremely happy. So we played the Willy Wonka coin pusher a lot. I got a lot of footage. I'm gonna break it out into like 4 videos. But we played a lot, and I ended up cashing in 42 cards. I kept one complete set for me. This is one complete set. It has 9 cards, and then we got the golden ticket. Yay, we got the golden ticket. Sorry, this sun is killer. So we have the golden ticket and all, I think it's 9 or 10 cards. I think it's 9 cards plus the golden ticket, so 10 cards altogether. So we have one of each that I kept. So we did not have a complete set to turn in. And I went ahead and decided to cash in my tickets, sorry about the sun, instead of holding on to them for the next trip, because I don't know when that's gonna be, and there was a couple cute prizes that I wanted. So the value-wise, you only get 20 tickets per card, which is not that good compared to Dave & Buster's, because the Star Trek cards, you get like 50 tickets per card, but that's fine. I'm very happy that we got the golden ticket. You watched our Willy Wonka video, it was one of the last things we won. We played a lot, like, I don't even, like probably $100 worth of Willy Wonka, don't you think? Yeah, I think we spent $100 on Willy Wonka. Oh my god, that sun.
And Slugworth came out, we were in good shape.
Yeah, Slugworth. So Slugworth must be the rare one, because we only saw him once. I was thinking it was Veruca Salt for a little bit, because it took a while before we saw Veruca Salt, but it definitely has to be Slugworth. And then the golden ticket, I've seen several arcade people win the golden ticket several times, but we only got it once. We played the same machine. There was 4 machines there, and we played the same machine, and we were the only people playing. Your ex is in 2 miles, honey. But you have to keep in mind, today's Wednesday. It's in the middle of the week during the day, so kids are still in school. Both my husband and I are self-employed. We own a business, and so we can really make our own hours, which, thank goodness, that makes life a lot easier. So we can, whenever we want to go to the arcade, we can go to the arcade, because I am sure it is very busy on Saturday. It was not busy at all today. All the employees were probably like sick of us, but they were all super friendly. I was very impressed by all the employees. They were all super friendly, and no one made me feel uncomfortable for winning tons of prizes, because we won tons of prizes. I've read online about people feeling uncomfortable when they win stuff and arcade employees getting mad, but I didn't feel like that at all today. I thought they were all super nice. And then, let's see, I was talking about Willy Wonka. I love Willy Wonka. I really like the machine. I thought I don't feel like it was rigged in the end. You know what I mean? Like, by rigged, like, it's hard to win. Like, sometimes, we did a Star Trek, I think it was the Las Vegas location, at Dave & Buster's, and that machine I just felt was rigged. Different than the St. Louis location. We win at the St. Louis location all the time. But anyway, I didn't feel like this machine was rigged. We won a lot of cards. I felt like the coins were moving at a fair pace. Of course, I would have loved to win another golden ticket, but yeah, this is it. We want to go South Lincoln, 101. Yep, this is the right. This is the exit. So anyway, the machine, I felt like it had a very fair payout rate. besides, I don't know how it awarded tickets. I wasn't really paying attention, but I know we won tickets because we didn't play that many arcade games. I played Crossy Road several times. He played a couple several times. He played the ping pong toss game, and that was it. And we ended up with 3,800 tickets. So this must have been from Willy Wonka, and then I turned in the extra cards, and that gave us 860 tickets. So 2,000 tickets from just random, a couple games, so that it really must have been from the Willy Wonka game. So it awarded tickets at a pretty fair rate. The reason that I turned in the Willy Wonka cards, like I still kept a set for myself, but I turned in 42 of them because there was a couple prizes that I wanted. And I really wish I would have recorded the game room or the prize room. I didn't. I regret that. I think I was just at that point tired and ready to go home. They had a lot of cute Japanese plush. So I got this little cute kitty in a coffee mug. I mean, look at that. That is the most adorable thing in the entire world. And then this little Siamese, Chinese calico, I don't know what it is. This little kitty, these are all keychains. Is that not the most adorable thing in the entire world? And then this was like 980 tickets, and then this was 780 tickets, and then this thing, oh my god, look at this little sheep, lamb, whatever it is. This was 840 tickets, I think, 860. But these are adorable. I actually had enough tickets to get a bigger plush, but we already won tons of plush, as you can see in the back seat. So I was very happy. So anyway, that's why I cashed these tickets in, because I wanted this. But I think we will come back. I know we'll come back, but it'll be like three months because we've won all the prizes. We have to wait until they change out the plush. Like once I see other people winning other prizes on YouTube, then I'll be like, all right, Robert, let's go to round 1. And he'll be like, no. No. It was a lot of fun, but it's an expensive hobby. Arcade gaming, a very expensive hobby. But thanks for watching.